Good morning and welcome to the South Carolina Public Service Commission. It is Wednesday, January 28, 2026, approximately 10 a.m. We are here today on docket number 2025-250-E. Present in the hearing room are all commissioners except for Commissioner Carol E. Williams, who is joining us virtually. Ms. Wessinger-Hill, would you please explain the purpose of today's hearing?
Yes, sir, and thank you, Mr. Chairman and Commissioners. The hearing before you today, as the Chairman just mentioned, is in docket number 2025-250E. This docket concerns the joint application of Duke Energy Carolinas LLC, North Carolina Electric Membership Corporation, and Central Electric Cooperative for a certificate of environmental compatibility and public convenience and necessity for the construction and operation of a new combined cycle generating plant in Anderson County, South Carolina. The application was filed pursuant to South Carolina Utility Facility Siting Act and Environmental Protection Act, which is found in Chapter 33 of Title 58 of the South Carolina Code. The Chief Clerk of the Commission issued a notice of filing and public hearing in this matter on October 12, 2025. The hearing at that time was noticed to begin in this docket on January 28th at 10 a.m. with only attorneys present for the purpose of handling any procedural issues, and it will not begin the hearing of any proposed witnesses or exhibit or presentation of exhibits planned to be offered in this docket by the various parties at this time. The hearing shall reconvene on Thursday, February 26, 2026 at 10 a.m. to receive such evidence and hear witness testimony. Should the hearing at that time need to carry over from February 26th to another date, the hearing shall continue each day thereafter at the call of the chair. Mr. Chairman, upon inquiry of all participating counsel and parties of record, the parties are present and they are ready to proceed when called.
Very good. Thank you very much, Ms. Wessinger-Hill. Would the parties, beginning with the company, Duke, please introduce themselves at this time?
Good morning, Mr. Chairman, members of the Commission. My name is Katie Brown. I am here representing Duke Energy Carolinas, and here with me is my co-counsel, Sam Wilborn.
Good morning. And as far as the North Carolina Electric Membership Corporation.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman, members of the Commission. My name is Mitchell Willoughby. I practice law here in Columbia with the law firm of Willoughby, Humphrey, and D'Antoni. I represent North Carolina Electric Membership Corporation, a joint applicant in this matter. I would also mention for the members of the Commission that my co-counsel, Tim Dodge, is observing this hearing this morning over the live stream. He is not intending to make any comments this morning, and trusting those that representation to me. I hope I earn his trust. Thank you.
Well, we're going to finish who's in here before we go to the World Wide Web. Central Electric Cooperative.
Chair Powers, Commissioners, good morning. Court Walsh from the Robinson Gray Law Firm here for Central Electric Power Cooperative. I'm also working with my co-counsel, Mr. Frank Ellerby, who you know well. He may or may not be online today, but as Mr. Willoughby said, like NCEMC, Central is a joint applicant along with Duke. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The Office of Regulatory Staff.
Good morning, Mr. Chair, Mr. Vice Chair, and Commissioners. My name is Chad Torrey on behalf of ORS, and my co-counsel is Ms. Claire Benge, who is observing back at the office. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Now, as to the big screen, we have additional statutory parties. Is anyone virtual for the South Carolina Department of Environmental Services? Anyone from the South Carolina Department of Natural Resources? Okay, South Carolina Department of Parks, Recreation, and Tourism. All right, if there are any parties on the line that would like to be identified, please speak up at this time.
Good morning, Chair Powers, Commissioners. This is Kate Mixon on behalf of South Carolina Coastal Conservation League, Southern Alliance for Clean Energy, Upstate Forever, and Vote Solar. And my co-counsel, Thomas Gooding, is here today as well.
Thank you very much. Anyone else? All right. Of course, as I said before, Commissioner Williams is joining us virtually as well. Is there any matter we need to discuss at this time? Mr. Welborn.
Very quickly, I believe Ms. Wessinger Hill said that the hearing is set to begin on February 26th. I think based on the procedural order in this case, it was the 25th and continued on the 26th, but please correct me if I've got that wrong.
25th.
Mr. Chairman, it said February 26th when I looked on the calendar this morning, but I will double check and send an email out to everybody.
Thank you.
All right. Well, we will certainly
Mr.
straighten
Chairman,
that out.
I've pulled the calendar up, and it is DEC Central citing in Anderson merits hearing is 10 a.m. on February 25th.
And, Mr. Chairman, I was going to say that I have a copy of the notice of filing and public hearing, and it likewise indicates that after this hearing today, the hearing will reconvene on February the 25th of 2026, and that may be how Ms. Wessinger indicated the 26th at 10 a.m. So February 25, 2026 at 10 a.m. is what has been publicly noticed.
Okay.
Well, thank you, Mr. Willoughby and Commissioner Belser. We were only a day off.
Yeah, and thank you. And thank you, that was my error. Thank you.
So, hearing nothing further, we'll be in recess until February 25th at 10 a.m. Everyone have a good weekend and be careful with the weather. We are in recess.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Chairman.